this video, I'll show you how to make a histogram in SPSS. I'll also show you how to change properties of the graph and how it looks in the window. I have a data set here for amount of savings according to income level, low income and middle income. Let's look at a histogram for the data. Click Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, then Histogram. Move the dependent variable to the variable box. For this set of data, that's savings, click OK. The histogram shows all of the data, including the two groups, low income and middle income. Savings are on the x-axis, and frequency is on the y-axis. Now let's create two histograms, one for low income and one for median income. Go back to Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, Histogram. I want to view two different histograms, one for each of the income levels. To do that, I'm going to move low, middle over to rows. Click the right arrow in the center to move the variable over to rows. Click OK. This gives us two histograms, one on top of the other. The top has low, the bottom has middle income. This allows us to compare what savings look like for the two groups. If you want the histograms to appear side by side, go back to Histograms, and move the variable into the columns box. Which one you choose is a matter of preference. Which one looks best for your data? Let's customize the histogram. Double-click the graph to open the chart editor. Click the x-axis label, Savings. A faint frame will appear around that label. Click it a second time, and at the end of the label, add the phrase dollars per month. Let's say I wanted to remove the gaps on either side. I'm going to change the minimum and maximum. Double-click on any number on the x-axis to open the Properties window. In the Properties window, click the Scale tab. In the Range panel, set the minimum. For my data, the smallest value was 29. For the maximum, that was 155. Let's also change the increments to 10. Click Apply and close the window. Next, I'm going to remove those unnecessary decimal places on the x-axis. Double-click a number on the x-axis. Click the Number Format tab in the Properties window again. Then change decimal places to read 0. Click Apply. I'm going to change the fill color next. Double-click on any bar in the graph. You'll see a faint frame appearing around all the bars on the histogram. In the Properties window, click the Fill and Border. I'm going to choose green. Let's give this a border as well. Choose a weight. Let's say 1 and click Apply. I don't like how large this graph is, so let's change the size. Double click on the graph, click Chart Size. Let's change the height to 200. Maintain aspect ratio will automatically set the width and shrink the entire graph proportionally. Now I want to hide those grid lines. Click Options, then Hide Grid Lines. Next, that low middle label doesn't add anything to the graph, so let's remove it. Double click it, click Labels, and we want to uncheck Axis Title. Click Apply and close the window. If you want to show a distribution curve, click Elements, then Show Distribution Curve. My graph's a bit clearer now. I can see from the graph that low-income learners tend to save less, with a positively skewed distribution. That means a long right tail. I hope you found the video helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.